What's going on? It's Katie here with KT Visuals, and today I'm just going to show you how to do this dope little 3D effect to your photos. You don't even need to open Premiere Pro, it's all in your phone, so let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to open your App Store, and in the App Store we're going to type in CapCut. This app is super dope. It's this first one right here. I already have it downloaded, so just click open, start a new project, and then go through and choose a photo. So for me, I'm just gonna use this photo of Ariana Grande because it looks really dope with the 3D effect and I'm a big fan of her. So see here, you have a plain old clip. You're gonna select the clip, and then in your effect options, you're gonna go to style, and then you're gonna click 3D zoom. And once you do that, you're done. It's super easy to do and it's super quick, and then all you have to do is export it in the top right corner over here and it'll save to your camera roll and you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any requests for tutorials or videos in general, drop them in the comments as well. I would love to try them out. I'll see you guys next week with another tutorial.